Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since I did a video, but I had some questions on the Excursion here. But before we get to that, what have I been up to? I've been doing a lot of tractor pulling. That seemed to take up a lot of my time. I ran a boiler line from the house to the boiler, and I've been doing some shopping, getting some stuff I probably shouldn't. I drove 13 hours round trip to get this car. It's a project. There's no engine, but it's rust free, pretty good shape. Needs a back window, but it was free. It's the same make, model, year as my Cummins Thunderbird. So, I don't know, what do you think I should do with it? I'm in the process of putting a different turbo in here because, well, this started leaking here because it's pretty sloppy. And I'm doing a little bit of upgrade. I'm gonna see what happens, see how it works. Might go on some of the other ones too. I bought this thing this spring to maintain my yard and whatnot. It's a pretty nice little machine. It's got power rotate, side shift, scar fire, I don't know what the right word is. It's got wheel lean. Somebody added a Charlene power steering that doesn't really work right. And supposedly the engine was just rebuilt like right before I got it. I got a couple videos of that laying on the computer. I just haven't got around to editing anything. Sort of took the summer off, besides just doing shorts and tractor pulling and whatnot. Just trying to get some stuff done. Videoing takes up a lot of time, and I don't ever seem to get anything done anymore. So I picked up this tractor. This was at one of my customers' sites. I had never seen this thing move. It's an 826 German diesel. It has diff lock, single hydraulic in the back. Needs some work. It looks way better right now than when I got it. Everything was covered in grease real bad. There was a line leaking up here. I brazed it, it should be replaced. I'm thinking it should maybe get some new wiring. I don't know. What do you think? Yeah, maybe. Runs pretty dang good. Looks good when it's cleaned up. I got the 806 sitting here. Them I've been doing work to this summer. I got fairly serious with the tractor pulling. It's just for fun. I'm not really competing against anyone, but for safety reasons, I put a blanket in case the flywheel gets exploded, frame rail connectors in case the flywheel gets exploded, then the tractor won't fall apart. I upgraded to 12-inch clutch in there, which means I lost my belly pump. So I had intentions of pulling a plow with it this fall, but the only plow I have right now is hydraulic. So it's gonna have to wait. I put some 18.4 38s on here that I bought at an auction this summer. Put wheelie bars, because a lot of places want me to have wheelie bars. I turned up the pump a little bit, different governor spring, so it runs a little higher RPMs and gets full fuel at the RPMs I want to run down the track. A little bit bigger injector, still running the stock turbo for now. And I got the John Deere G. I'm not sure why I bought it. It sounds really good. It's straight piped, of course. It's kind of got that, you know, sort of Harley sound or whatever. I don't know why I got it. It runs pretty good. It's decent. I joined a 2-cylinder club about a year ago, and then I started looking at these things, and I guess I just bought it. I don't know, like the sound, the shake, all that stuff. But if somebody would really, really want this, I could probably be coerced into getting rid of it. I usually don't get rid of anything though. I'll have to see. But about the only thing I did is I changed the petcocks out for valves and got rid of that goofy multi-fuel valve and put some line on it. I don't know. Might do a little bit more work on it sometime. But, well, I suppose let's get to the Excursion. I haven't driven this thing in like 2 years. I've just been driving my pickup because, you know, less tabs and stuff and whatever. And this can't haul the gooseneck. I do miss driving this thing though. But one feller had a question about the leaf springs. He was wondering if the leaf springs I installed on here, which are from like a 1-ton F350, if they interfered with the heat and air back here, and they do not. They clear just fine. I'm using the stock shackles. Didn't even take them off when I changed them. So there's plenty of clearance here. Probably more clearance now than there was before with the stock ones, because these are actually arched a little bit more. So I had a fella wondering about the backup cam. I put it up in the third brake light up here. Now with the field of view, it's kind of out like this, so you can't see for hooking up a trailer very well. It probably, you know, ends back here somewhere, but it helps you to line up and whatnot. If you wanted something for close quarters, hooking up a trailer, you'd probably want to put a backup camera in here somewhere. That's just where I put it. I knew it wouldn't be that great, but you know, do what works for you. Well, I swapped the battery. Let's try it again. That's a little better. So, I'm going to show how it looks like in the daylight. The sun's already going down, but there's the rewind. It's not a real high quality camera. I'll back up till I can't see anymore, and that is my house. Okay, we just lost the foundation there. So that shows you, I don't know, 5 feet. A good 4 feet, probably 5 feet. That's where it loses it. Now, my vehicle sits pretty high, so if it's sitting lower, might be able to get a little closer, whatnot. I'm just going by, you know, when I lost that ground there. Now, if you had it here, obviously you could see right up to the back end. Well guys, I got a bunch of stuff I want to get done this winter. I'm hoping to get to it. I got a bunch of files on the computer. Just haven't really felt like editing much. And as you can see, fall has begun, so my job gets extra busy, my day job. So probably isn't going to be much going on for a little bit on the channel. Thanks for watching. Take care and God bless. You want to run them?